Umoja.
One of the three centre-backs for Manchester United. There's the corner that was in towards Pogba. Here's Ashley Young forward for the first time after a couple of goals at Vicarage Road in midweek. Antonio Valencia, and he's got options here. One of them is Paul Pogba, and then Valencia could have taken it first time.
Why you my ball? Oh! Typical Arsenal. I mean, I saw this coming. Typical Arsenal. No backbone.
Charlie, same old though.
Listen, bro, they'll come back. I mean, this year is different. And there's something extra about their play.
Very extra.
How often have we heard that? How did the French even call it?
Deja vu.
Deja vu.
Wow. Charlie, this place go purple. Check the specimen.
Bandula.
I swear.
Queen of the Nile.
Bro, I think man must follow this one.
Same dog life.
I'll be right back.
The thing will bring me right away.
But Charlie, them force.
Umoja hostel. I am back. Umoja hostel.
Let me tell you one thing. Through my wildest dreams, could I show you who you are, what you mean to me? If I show you something that I know you need, could you handle all of me? 'Cause I can only give you one thing. Yeah. Now you see my heart, but do you know it? If you're not ready, then let me go.
Oh, baby. I did now.
Wow. Babe, you find your t-shirt missing.
Thank you, Jerry. Listen, you're not looking bad though. Oh.
I bet you can wash me up.
Who they wash you?
Washing and setting.
You be clothes. Ijoma. A decorated pig will still be a pig. No any other name.
God punish your grandfather, dear idiot.
Your great-grandfather follow. Hey, IJ! IJ! IJ!
What?
Ijoma.
Waiting.
We are not going for an award ceremony. Before you dress like say na mama you won't go visit.
Is that why you guys are underdressed? Eh? I mean, putting the worry on her now. Babes, it's hunting season, oh. I'll say on her no. And in case you girls have forgotten, I am single and seriously searching. Especially now that we've got juicy guys around. I mean, I need to grab left, right, center.
Babe, don't do talk.
Oh yeah, no go idiot. No they go, time don't go.
Call me idiot again, I don't go follow you.
Excuse me, now my money. I beg stay there.
Stay there. Now joke I did joke.
Go stay.
Chew me wrong.
Go stay, go.
You said I
Start all over. Wanna ride you like a Land Rover. Forget about the code. She had the decoder. She said she gonna make me fall for a Casanova. 9 shots over. Yeah, still a push me from the sofa. Everything done, I where we a go for. In a little while, wifey coming over. Tell me what am I to do? Another girl falling again. What am I to do? Man falling in trouble again. What am I to do? Another girl falling again. What am I to do? Tell me no, tell me no. Tell me no, tell me no, tell me no, tell me no. Tell me no, tell me no. Tell me no, tell me no, tell me no, tell me no. Tell me no, tell me no. Tell me no, tell me no, tell me no, tell me no. Tell me no, tell me no. Tell me no, tell me no, tell me no, tell me.
Bend over,
Baby girl, I like the way she bend over, yeah. Baby girl, I like the way she pose up, yeah. In the Range Rover, yeah. It's another one, yes, and it's another one.
Oh, finally, you guys made it.
Hey, that's my favorite song. Babes, come let us. Adesi, I beg for that drink.
I love it.
Come, Adese, I hope you don't intend to get yourself drunk. Evelyn, how are you?
I'm good, dear. You both are hilarious.
Anyway, it's a new season.
Yeah.
New semester. And perhaps new friends.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know about you girls, but I intend to have fun beyond compare. You know, Charlie.
You guys,
let's toast.
Yeah.
Yeah, to new beginnings.
To new beginnings.
Yeah. Ahem. Nkechi, tell me, those guys we come hostel, them fresh, I mean, are they cute?
Trust me. Fine bobo dey inside, babe.
You don't say.
You don't want to know.
Huh, I can't wait. Chai, Charlie.
Whoa! Damn, that's your
See that guy? He's the top dog in the whole store. He backs. You don't want to know.
Really? James Brown. Now watch me throw that dog a bone. Watch
like that. Hello. We have brought you ladies some manly company. The name is James Brown. And my boys and I are at your beck and call. There we go. And you may use us as you please.
Use you as we please. Wow, man, you've got balls, you know. Anyway, no problem. Now, red wine we go start with. We will come add champagne later.
All right. Very well then. Red wine it is. Waiter.
Anyway, let me introduce you to my friends. She's Nkechi.
Hey, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, and that's Evelyn.
Hi.
Hi.
And Adese.
Adese, huh? Adese. Nice to meet you.
And Ijoma.
Hi, Ijoma.
Ijoma Olisa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
So, what brought you guys to Umoja Hostel?
Isn't that obvious?
Seriously. Well, for me, Umoja seems up. You know, since the business school is just a few minutes away.
Business school?
Yeah, I am doing my MBA in finance, and I currently run my own IT firm.
Bam! Hi! My kind of guy. Chai! See, a goal getter. Namotos. Let's toast to friendship.
That's right.
And plenty of money.
Very important. Very important.
Yes, and perhaps love.
Love.
To love.
They want to see if I make a cry, they won't make a cry.
What's the occasion? And the noise? These boys.
Just the testosterone. I've invited them over for breakfast.
Chai.
I mean, you don't expect us to enjoy their champagne without showing them some good love. Huh? And Evelyn, please. Please. Be sexy. Eh? Be anything but Evelyn, okay? Be like Ijoma, you know? Romantic love.
Perfect timing for me.
Indeed.
What's happening here?
IJ decided to invite the boys over for breakfast.
Hey, Ijeoma, for the boys.
That's what's up. Are you serious? Won't you come and help me?
Come and help us.
See, when they come, you guys should behave, okay? Treat them nicely.
Take tissues and put it on a plate.
Seriously, you girls, you'll be here soon, okay?
How are you? I'm good, how are you too?
I see. Work hard, play hard. Huh?
Man, what for do? I have to clear my head. I have a very long waiting list.
Yeah, I see. Okay, so when you're done clearing your head,
Yeah.
okay, I have some nutrition for you and your boys, okay?
Uh-huh.
Breakfast.
You don't say.
On me.
On
Upstairs.
you.
Yeah.
In your room.
In my room.
In your room.
It's not what you think, actually.
I know what you're talking about.
James.
In your room.
Yes, in my room.
We'll be there.
I'll be expecting you.
In your room.
Okay?
I'll see you.
She for you. Are you kidding me? She's going to milk them very, very soon. I said, I'm telling you, Ijoma doing things just for doing things. We got your mouth washing now. Why are we here? Oh, mommy, I'm ready with that.
Hello, guys.
James!
Here.
Hi.
Let us come. Yeah, I did.
Okay, you guys should have what you want. Make yourself comfortable. Evelyn, please take care of them. You know, right? And you.
So you did it?
Yeah. Oh, come on, I did it.
It's all you.
Thank God we are all together again. And life goes on. Unlike the later part of last semester that was so scary.
You know, I beg. Don't remind me of that nightmare, okay?
Babe, my problem is that madman who tried killing you is still out there. Seriously, what was his motive?
Or a motive?
You still don't think Irama had anything to do with that, do you?
No. Just stating the fact that the intruder could be a woman. Who knows? Ijeoma, where you can't go now?
Why the chill? What's going on here? Ask Kaiji.
You know, I still get flashes of that event. It grips me like a trance, you know?
You mean the attack?
Yeah.
That's why I told her to get professional help back in Nigeria. But she no go hear word.
Adeze, you dey craze?
Wetin I do now?
Eh? No vex me for you. You dey hear me?
I talk anything.
As I sit down here, I resemble mad person for your eye.
Ijeoma, this has nothing to do with madness. You suffered a great trauma. You need to talk to somebody to help you deal with it and then move past it.
You know what I need? What I don't need is you guys always bringing this up. I'll get over it, okay? It will pass. Trust me.
Anyway, speaking of moving past things, what about you and Irama?
IG, it would really be nice if you and Irama made up. Seriously, girls, if we are going to suffer intruders, the least we can do is stick together and not fight. I know they like I'm beg, wanna settle this thing. That's how you guys always put us at edge whenever we are in the same room together. We need a flow. Babe, life is too short too. I don't like this thing, I beg. Settle this thing.
Okay. I hear. Life is too short, Abi. No problem. But me, Ijeoma or Lisa, I will not be the initiator. Una dey hear me so?
We will make it happen. Don't you worry.
Definitely.
Yeah, we will.
No concern not there.
Hey, Irama.
Hey, Evelyn.
You're looking good.
Thank you. What's up?
I see you're ready to go out. Can I walk with you?
Sure.
So I'm planning a girls' night out. And it's gonna be fun. It's a bring a bottle kind of thing. It's good for bonding, networking.
Bonding for what? I don't need that.
For how long are you gonna be in isolation, Irama? You've literally shut yourself out. You have to let this Ijeoma thing go. You girls are both bigger than that.
So, I guess I could swing by. Just text me when it's starting.
Yeah, that's my girl. Do not disappoint.
I'll try. Have a nice day.
Bye.
This had better work, Evelyn. Because if it doesn't, there will be World War III in here tonight.
We will make sure that that doesn't happen.
We
would choose this party.
Don't worry, I got you in music. That's my girl.
Hey guys.
What you wearing, girl? Okay, anyway, the guys are down there.
Oh, okay.
Go down. Go and enjoy yourself.
Oh my goodness, this is gonna be fun.
Hi guys! Oh my baby! I miss you.
I miss you
too. I got you guys some ice cream. Yeah. That's what's up.
Let me get you some drinks. Get some drinks.
What's happening down there?
The party is downstairs.
It's popping,
You should
girl.
go see it.
It's popping,
Are you serious?
girl.
I am telling you.
I'm impressed.
Oh, enjoy yourself, guys.
Have fun, guys. I'm really impressed. This party looks
Don't you want anything to drink?
You look good. Thank you.
You know, this party is like so much fun, eh? Everything is going on downstairs. You really like it.
Happy new beginnings. Oh, come here.
I miss you.
Please let the party begin. That's your stop.
House of Umoja.